Thank you, Norbert, for the time. Let's talk about the rationale for this. Why are you spending more money there?
Are you talking about the Polish opportunity in the first instance?
Indeed, yes.
Yeah. So look, I mean, we've articulated, I guess, over the last 18 months of the internationalization strategy of Growthpoint, which talks to finding ways and investments which look to ultimately double, if you want, our non-South African exposure. We've always had, or let's say since 2009, we've had the exposure in Growthpoint Properties Australia. And more recently, in December 16, we started investing into Eastern Europe, into mainly the office and industrial space. But via, let's call it a vehicle or a platform known as Globalworth. Initially, Globalworth only had exposure to the Romanian market, and more recently, they've gained exposure to the Polish market via their investment into an entity known as Globalworth Poland. So, I mean, we still, look upon the overall investment case for Eastern Europe, or the region there, the Central Eastern European market, is very positive.
Yeah.
There's pretty good fundamental growth in the economy. We see quality underlying buildings, quality tenants, and given the sort of yields that we can obtain there relative to our cost of finance here in South Africa,
yeah,
we see it as pretty accretive and positive to the group.
What kind of properties are you looking to invest in?
So these are mainly office and industrial properties. I know that there are at least half a dozen South African companies running around that same region looking at and investing into retail properties. We, however, have taken a view that we think that particular section of the market is a bit overtraded. And we've seen better relative value at the moment in the office and industrial space. So mainly good quality office buildings and industrial warehouses, not too dissimilar to the kind of assets that we own here in South Africa. In fact, most of the properties we invested in there via Globalworth would stand proud here in Sandton and in Rosebank, alongside some of the investment we already have here.